4 years ago, when a routine scan revealed Hildy and Luca Francine's unborn son had a number of heart defects. They knew all too well what they lay ahead, because they are both veterinary cardiologists. An anomaly was suspected at their 14-week scan, which then was confirmed at 20 weeks. Mattia had 2 major congenital defects, and there could be more. Plans were put into place for her to give birth 2 weeks ahead of her due date at London's St. Thomas's Hospital, so that she was in the right place for her baby's surgery, which was scheduled to be done when he was just 10 days old, at the Evelina Children's Hospital next door. Mattia was put on the surgical list of Dr. Kanar Saleh, a pediatric heart surgeon who would become an important part of the Francine family's life. Mattia had a hole in his heart, a stricture of the aortic valve, and multiple other conditions. Heidi breastfed with no problem, and Mattia did really well for the first few days, but on the 6th day, everything changed. He didn't want to feed, he cried all the time, and there was a problem with his heart rate, so Heidi and Luca alerted staff, and the wheels were set in motion for Mattia to have surgery the next day. One of the most traumatic moments was having to sign a consent form for the operation. Mattia was on the ventilator for 4 hours, but made a great recovery, supported all the way by Dr. Saleh. It was only when the Francines got talking to the surgeon that they realized he was also dealing with the heart troubles. But it was his new French bulldog Bobby Boudou, who was almost exactly the same age as Mattia, who was suffering. Luca works at Veterinary Referral Hospital and offered for Dr. Saleh and Boudou to visit him there. By coincidence, it transpired that Boudou had the exact same condition as a little boy. They are very cute together, they just have a natural bond, says Heidi, who is along with Luca and group of colleagues, upsailed 160 feet down the side of the hospital to raise funds and thank them for all they did for the Mattia. I always believe we shouldn't separate the two sciences, we should work together. So while Mattia and Boudou may have had difficult starts in their life, not only did they both get happy endings, they might just have contributed to the future of both human and canine health